In this video, you will learn how to use pivot function in MySQL to transform rows of data into columns. Like other databases, MySQL doesn't have a pivot function. Let's see how to achieve the same result using conditional aggregation instead of pivot function. Here we have sales table with columns region, year, product and sales amount. We want to pivot this data to show each product information in a separate columns. For example, here we have product 1, product 2, product 3 in a single column. We want to show this data in separate columns, product 1, product 2, product 3 sales in each column. Let us write the query. We need to display the region and year. Here we will use case statement to get the sales for each product. Sum of case when product is equal to product 1, then we need to get the sales amount in. So I will add COALESCE function to return 0 when there are nulls. As product 1 sales. Repeat the same for product 2 and product 3 sales. When this product field is equal to product 2, then we need to get the sales amount and we name this column as product 2 sales. We will add for product 3 . So when the product is equal to product 3, then we'll get product 3 sales in a separate column. From sales table, so we are aggregating the results using a sum function. So we have to add group by on region and year. Okay. Let me run this query and to see the output. So now we have the product, each product sales in 3 different columns. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.